In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix card declined in PayPal. If your card has been declined in PayPal, don't worry. In many cases, this is something you can fix in just a few moments by reviewing the card saved in your account and updating the information. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to do. To begin, open PayPal and go to your wallet. This is where your saved payment methods are stored, including any debit or credit cards you've linked to your account. Once you're in the wallet section, find the card that was declined and select it. Make sure you choose the correct card so you can review the details that may be causing the issue. After opening the declined card, click on Update Card. This option allows you to edit the existing card information already connected to your PayPal account. If the card was declined because of a simple mistake, such as incorrect card details, expired information, or something entered incorrectly earlier, this is the place to correct it. Now carefully re-enter the correct card details. Take your time here and make sure everything matches the information on the card exactly. Even a small typing mistake can cause the card to be declined, so it's a good idea to double-check each field before saving the update. Accuracy matters, especially when entering the card number and other required information. If you realize that the wrong card number was entered from the beginning, or the card saved in PayPal is not the one you want to use, then instead of updating it, select Remove. This will delete the incorrect card from your account. After that, click Link a card to add the correct one as a new payment method. When linking a new card, enter the details carefully to avoid the same issue happening again. Once you've updated the card or linked a new one, the issue is often resolved and your payment method should be ready to use again. If the card is still declined after this, it may be worth checking the card information one more time inside PayPal to make sure there are no entry errors. And that's it. That's how to fix a card declined issue in PayPal by updating the saved card details or removing the incorrect card and linking the right one.